Hey everyone, welcome to our video. If you're wondering about the ideal cable size for your vacuum cleaner, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the considerations and guidelines for selecting the appropriate cable size. Let's dive in. Before we begin, it's important to note that the cable size you choose for your vacuum cleaner directly impacts its performance and electrical safety. Using an undersized cable can result in power loss, overheating, and even potential electrical hazards. Let's explore the factors to consider when determining the right cable size for your vacuum cleaner. Check the manufacturer's guidelines. Start by referring to the manufacturer's guidelines or user manual for your vacuum cleaner. Manufacturers usually provide recommendations regarding the appropriate cable size for their specific models. This information can help you make an informed decision. Determine the power consumption of your vacuum cleaner. Next, find out the power consumption of your vacuum cleaner. This information is typically mentioned on the appliance itself or in the user manual. It is usually expressed in watts or amps. Knowing the power consumption will help you select the right cable size capable of handling the load. Consider cable length and voltage drop. The length of the cable plays a crucial role in maintaining the voltage required for your vacuum cleaner to function optimally. Longer cables can experience voltage drop, leading to reduced power delivery. As a general rule, the longer the cable, the thicker it should be to compensate for voltage drop. Determine the appropriate cable gauge. Based on the power consumption and cable length, you can determine the appropriate cable gauge using a wire gauge chart. These charts indicate the recommended cable sizes based on amps and cable length. Select a cable gauge that meets or exceeds the requirements for your vacuum cleaner. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.